face. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's another day here in Milan. Huh? It's another day here in Milan and we just head out of the hotel.
Oh, it's a classic.
Careful, careful, careful. There's someone wants to pass. Oh, it's freezing, it's cold. We just stepped out of the hotel. I woke up this morning and left everybody in bed and went to the gym and get a little workout in. Felt good about that. So I'll show you guys that right now. So now that you've seen my little workout sesh this morning, it felt good. Now we're heading out to find something to eat and to explore the city a bit. Have a full day here today to just do whatever. So we are heading to the beautiful cathedral that is close by. We saw a bit of it yesterday from the top, but I wanted to save it for the daytime, so hence we're going there today. So I'm so looking forward to that. So this is my opinion on Milan. It's very antique, rustic, very Europe-like in terms of the buildings and the graffitis and the street, but I like it. I like when I'm in a new city and it makes you feel different. So I like the style of Milan. I like the graffitis everywhere. I like the stone streets like Paris. I like the old looking tram. It gives a bit vintage vibe, like you're in a whole nother era. So I really like the vibe of Milan. Every store that I've seen in these streets that I'm at, because we're in the center of the city of Milan, you can tell that all the stores are expensive, the styles are very fashionable, because of course Milan is the capital of fashion like Paris. Yeah, so let's go enjoy the day. Let me make you guys say hello to everyone and then we'll go give this day a good run for its money. Say hello.
Hello.
And my girl is in style, of course. Look at her. Ready to have fun, princess?
Yes.
Ty and babe say hello. Ah, no manners. Turn around. I kind of back with your hello that. The boys giving you a silent wave, but anyway, we'll take it. All right, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Love you guys. Have an amazing day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And look at this tram passing me. I love seeing the trams. They're so beautiful. Not this one. This one reminds me of the one in Nice, but the one that's coming in front is the one that I really like because it's giving a kind of old vibe, and that's what I like about it. Yes, you see a doggy? All right, come on. Papa and Tyler is gone. So like this one is the ones that I really like. It's just giving a vibe. And of course these two talk in history. Look at them. Definitely talking history. We Okay, so we ended up at this plaza place that have a lot of people and a lot of European style buildings, which wow, oh, we reached the cathedral. I didn't even finish telling you about these buildings because we reached the cathedral. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Like, look at all this architecture. That is amazing. That is so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
That's a favorite restaurant from the list. There's a clock there. Look. Chili.
Babe was whispering, telling me he saw my favorite restaurant, KFC's over there. It's too funny. But yeah, we're here. Hold it. Sarah, come. Come back with me. Turn back at glasses. So we are directly inside, in front of the cathedral, and of course Sarah have to find some pigeon to run down. You getting the pigeon, Sarah?
Putting my capuchon for preparation. Where's the bottom?
You getting the pigeons?
Count.
You got in all the pigeons.
Just like it do. Oh, there's one over here. Oh my god.
And the mascot.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Hold it.
What should I do? On you?
Just casual, strolling in Milan on a Friday. Living our best carefree life.
I put this on my head because I
Tyler said he's protecting his attention from the pigeon. I want them to see this.
Come, follow me. The whiskey ice cream.
The beauty.
The ice cream.
No, not the ice cream. The beauty of this cathedral. Look at that. Look at that. I could just stand here all day. Literally. Mom, this way.
Ah, c'est gentil.
I said at the beginning, I thought it was a drawing.
Oh, Sarah, hold on to the bag strap. You have your dinosaur?
It's in my pocket.
Okay. Babe?
Yeah.
So we are leaving the cathedral and we're heading down in this it's like what would I say, a lot of restaurants, shopping centers down this way. Sarah, look! Sarah, look! Pardon, sorry. Sarah, don't use your foot at them, use your hand. That's not nice when you use your foot, try to kick them. Sarah, I'm gonna take a photo of you inside the pigeon. Come. Go, look, he's feeding them. Wait. Stay right there. Go right there. Go right there. Go inside the pigeon. Look at Mama. Stand, don't move. Got it. Come. Viens. C'est parti.
It's pretty and it's all clean.
Yeah.
Are you heading there?
Yes. You want something to eat for bird? We don't have any bird food.
No.
Tyler, if I had it, I would give it to her. She said she wants to feed the bird like everybody else, but I don't have any bird food. Oh, look at the guy. Should I give you a biscuit? No, that's okay. Come on. Lord, one nearly slapped me in my face.
It's a pretty day.
Sarah, hold on to the bag strap, please. Wow, look at that. And what I realized about Italy, there's police and security guards patrolling everywhere, which I think is so cool. You feel so safe, so protected. You really do feel so safe, though. I'm vlogging on Instagram and at the same time. You guys, bear with me. I'm trying to capture for both audience. Yes. Yes, it is. There is.
No, I'm
not on this.
this.
Oh no. The luxury. Well, look at it. It is so clean and posh. Look, Dior.
It's Hermes that booked one entire
Longchamp.
They booked entire
Saint Laurent. Okay.
Hermes.
So this is the luxury street. Look, Rolex is there. This is like Champs-Élysées. I think this is the Champs-Élysées of Milan. Chanel is over there.
So Tiffany in the outside.
BBC past Tiffany. Louis Vuitton is down there.
So that's, as I said, Hermes booked the building here for more than $1 billion.
Oh wow.
Okay, baby. Just make your credit card.
Just make your credit card ready. Wow. Just wow. Come on. Alright, you guys, so spontaneously we didn't plan on visiting inside this church, but we are now going on a tour inside and I'm excited about it. Tyler is excited because he loves history, he's obsessed with history. So we're excited that we're gonna get to go inside. We're going on a tour. It will be 45 minutes. Look, ready, she's ready.